When we use the term seminar, we might think of some kind of highbrow college experience. What we're trying to get across here is it's a very specific interaction between our small group and myself where lots of questions are being asked and answered. We're not really having a formal discussion, but the goal isn't for lengthy lecture type monologues. The goal is to recognize, if we're talking about why does somebody need a sleep study, or why is somebody failing CPAP, or what's the connection between insomnia and PAP. I mean, there's hundreds of questions people could be asking about these topics. And that's why you would have signed up for the topic of your interest. When we get into that topic, we expect you to be able to ask multiple questions and for us to be able to give you the answers back that will satisfy your need to move forward into your other areas of whether it's treatment, education, clinical pearls and tips, all the kinds of things that you can use in working with your own providers to make your sleep treatment better. In the seminar itself, there will be opportunities where we will try to test your own knowledge using quizzes to try to understand where you're coming from. We'll be using graphics from time to time. We'll also be wanting to show some overlap between many of the different cases where some individuals may be struggling with a certain type of mask, if it's CPAP failure case. In another instance, somebody might be struggling with the question of, well, how do you even pay for this PAP equipment if you can't afford it? So why should I get my sleep study? All of these kinds of topics can be brought up and can be addressed, and all of your questions will attempt to be answered in this seminar process.